this is just a quick video. Please excuse the state of my hands. I've been out painting my cabin. But I just came on to show you a little bit of nail mail. This was part of my birthday. So I just thought I would show you what I've got. So I got a wee needle tool. I've always wanted one of these. Finally got my hands on one. So it's a Crystal Nails one. So it's like a dotting tool at the end and then a needle on the other end. And then I have got so these are from Katie Barnes. They're beautifully packaged. And they're so tiny. Oh my god, I absolutely love them. So I've got those Cuticle scissors. I prefer scissors to nippers. And then I got also this as well. So these are for tailoring my forearms. So a white gel pen. And then we have the curved tailoring scissors and the straight tailoring scissors. And they feel amazing. So I can't wait to get using them. Again, sorry for the state of my hands, but this is my nail mail for today. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway guys, I'll let you go just now and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye just now.